Welcome back to AI Insights. Today we're looking at an exciting frontier, AI for sustainability. Ever wondered how AI is helping us tackle some of the world's biggest challenges, like climate change and resource management? Let's dive into how AI is making a real difference. Resource management, the hidden hero. First up, resource management. Have you ever wondered how we can better manage our resources? Water, energy, food. AI is stepping in to optimize how we use them. But how does it actually work? AI uses data-driven insights to track and predict resource usage, ensuring we don't overuse or waste what we've got. It's like having a smart assistant telling you, hey, let's turn off those lights. Take smart grids, for example. AI helps balance energy supply and demand in real time, reducing waste and cutting costs. Imagine if your electricity knew when to power down the gadgets you're not using. Convenient, right? Of course, we can't forget climate change. AI is helping us track weather patterns and predict environmental changes. It's like having a crystal ball for the planet's future, only way more scientific. The power of AI and sustainability? So why is AI for sustainability so important? Simple. It helps us make smarter decisions, reduces waste, and creates a balance between consumption and conservation. AI is like the eco-friendly superhero we didn't know we needed. That's the scoop. AI for sustainability is transforming how we manage resources and fight climate change. If this inspired you, go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Rewad Technologies for more awesome content. Let's build a sustainable future together.